So make sure you put plumber's tape around this. And then the fittings I'm going to use is it's a 1/2 inch female and it's PEX 1/2 inch on both sides. This is the cold hot, so inlet, outlet. All right, so I used a little template piece of paper and put the 4 screws in there, mounted on the wall. So now I'm going to go cut the power off and drain the hot water tank. Before I drain the hot water tank, I'm going to turn the water off and then drain the tank. So I've got the water tank draining with a hose, and then I'm going to, I've also turned the water off. I'm going to take my pipe cutter, put it a few inches off the wall, tighten it, turn, tighten, turn, cut each pipe. And then I'm going to cut over here as well to kind of get them out of the way. Now I'll clean these pipes off. I've cut a little bit of excess so that I can stick the 90 degree with the shutoff valve for the intake side. You can also do a shutoff valve for the hot side as well. But then I, kind of put it up and measured how far it was. The pipe is going to go to the bottom of this ring right here and the top of this ring. So that's your measuring points. All right, so if you've got a 2-pole 25, you're going to hook up both the red and black rather. And if you just have a single 30, then you're just going to hook up the black and leave the red not hooked up to anything. But red is going to go to white, black's going to go to black, and then the ground will go to your green and yellow. All right, so a little bit of recap. It's got screw mounted to it, so it's on the wall, not moving. Got my fittings for the PEX. Then I got the elbow going in 90-90, and I've got my shutoff valve, so cold inlet into hot. Then I've got the wiring over here, 10 gauge, so black, and my power wire was white to connect to the red one to the hot water heater, and then the the green yellow to the ground. And I'm going to put the faceplate on to cover that up. But just make sure again that the hot water the hot water heater breaker is off. So I'm going to turn the hot water breaker heater on to make sure everything works before I cover it up, and I'll show you how it works. So from my understanding, there's no adjustment. It's going to run at the temperature that it's displayed right there. But if there's no flowing water, it will not run, and that's the whole point. It's 117, 18 degrees right now. Let me know if you got any questions. Please like the video and subscribe.